This Chinese motorhome just turned the RV world upside down. For around $62,000, the Wanaka BYD motorhome delivers features that would cost twice as much from European manufacturers. And it's powered by technology from the company that just knocked Tesla off its throne. Picture this. While European motorhome manufacturers struggle with falling prices and oversaturated markets, a Chinese company named Wanaka quietly unveiled a motorhome that's making industry veterans sweat. They should be worried because this isn't some Chinese knockoff. This beast runs on BYD's T5DM hybrid platform, the same technology from the company Warren Buffett invested in back in 2008 and just sold for a 3,890% return. BYD isn't some startup trying to break into the RV game. Build Your Dreams was founded by Wang Chuanfu in 1995, a guy who grew up as one of 8 children in poverty in rural China and built his empire with a $300,000 loan from his cousin. Today, BYD has sold over 11.9 million new energy vehicles and generates over 700 billion yuan annually. In 2024, they became the first automaker in history to produce 10 million new energy vehicles. When BYD decides to enter your industry, you listen. The Wanaka motorhome starts at 439,800 yuan. That's about $62,000. Entry-level European motorhomes typically cost between $80,000 and $150,000. But here's where things get wild. This isn't a stripped-down budget model. This machine comes loaded with features that would cost a fortune as options on Western RVs. We're talking about a 70 kilowatt-hour battery pack, a 2,380-watt solar panel system generating approximately 8 kilowatt-hours per day, and a 100-liter fuel tank creating what they call an iron triangle energy system. The result? A pure electric range of 150 kilometers, but a combined range of 800 kilometers when the hybrid system kicks in. Need a quick charge? 20 minutes takes you from 20 to 90% battery capacity. The specs read like a wish list. This vehicle measures just under 6 meters long, meaning you can drive it with a standard C1 license in most countries. Gross weight hits 5,500 kilograms with a maximum payload of 1,500 kilograms. Interior height exceeds 2.1 meters, and the Pro Max version includes a side extension mechanism that comfortably seats 6 people. Let's talk about what really matters: the living experience. The overhead bed measures 2,230 by 1,330 millimeters, while the rear bed spans 2,220 by 1,300 millimeters. You get a full kitchen with refrigerator, toilet, shower, air conditioning, and a large TV. Here's something you won't find in most Western motorhomes at this price: a hidden 5-kilogram drum washing machine tucked under the bed. The power system showcases BYD's electric vehicle mastery. They've installed a 24-volt DC dual power supply system and a 220-volt AC dual inverter circuit with 11 kilowatts total output. This means you can run air conditioners and induction cookers simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This is causing absolute panic in the European RV industry, and rightfully so. European motorhome manufacturers are already struggling. Industry reports show prices for new and used motorhomes in Germany fell more sharply in 2024 than they have in 15 years. The market is oversaturated, demand is weak, and consumers are frustrated with ridiculously high prices. Enter Chinese manufacturers with technology. Western companies simply cannot match at this price point. BYD isn't just throwing together batteries and motors. This is a vertically integrated company that produces most components in-house, from batteries to electronic systems. When you control your entire supply chain like BYD does, you achieve cost efficiencies that traditional RV manufacturers cannot compete with. The irony here is perfect. Back in 2011, Elon Musk dismissed BYD, saying their cars weren't particularly attractive and their technology wasn't very strong. He predicted they would struggle in their home market of China. Fast forward to today, and BYD has dethroned Tesla as the world's top electric vehicle manufacturer, selling more battery-powered vehicles than the American company in recent quarters. This same pattern of underestimation is happening in the RV industry right now. Before the pandemic, European automotive professionals dismissed Chinese brands, claiming they were horrible builders who would need decades to reach European standards. What actually happened? In just 5 years, Chinese manufacturers exceeded European capabilities. Now their cars are genuinely impressive, and the same expertise is being applied to recreational vehicles. European motorhome enthusiasts are already taking notice, though reactions are mixed. Some are impressed by the features and pricing, while others criticize the design aesthetics. One UK forum user noted that while the vehicle has interesting features, it's but ugly and too short, high, and wide compared to European design preferences. But here's the thing. Design preferences evolve quickly when the price difference is $30,000 to $50,000. The timing couldn't be worse for traditional manufacturers. The European recreational vehicle market is worth $37 billion and growing at over 11% annually, projected to reach nearly $63 billion by 2031. Meanwhile, the Chinese RV market is booming with a projected value exceeding $1.5 billion and a growth rate of 12 to 15% through 2028. Chinese manufacturers are gaining expertise and scale rapidly in their home market before expanding globally, and they are expanding. Despite EU tariffs of up to 35% on Chinese electric vehicles, plus a 10% import duty, Chinese vehicle sales into Europe nearly doubled between 2024 and 2025. BYD reported a 225% year-on-year sales increase in Europe. If they can overcome those kinds of trade barriers in the automotive sector, recreational vehicles shouldn't pose much of a challenge. The implications extend far beyond pricing. BYD's Blade Battery technology, introduced in 2020, represents a significant advancement in lithium iron phosphate, battery, safety, and performance. While other manufacturers moved away from this chemistry due to energy density concerns, BYD promoted it as a safer alternative with competitive energy performance. This gives them a technological advantage that traditional RV manufacturers cannot easily match. Consider the strategic context. In May 2024, BYD signed a framework agreement for 300 T5DM chassis, specifically for hybrid light-duty trucks and recreational vehicles. This isn't a test project. This is a coordinated entry into the global RV market backed by one of the world's most successful technology companies. The numbers don't lie. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway didn't hold on to BYD stock for 17 years and achieve a 3,890% return by accident. They recognized early that this company represented a fundamental shift in how vehicles are designed and manufactured. Now that same disruptive capability is being applied to recreational vehicles. European manufacturers built their businesses on premium positioning and traditional engineering approaches. But when a Chinese company can deliver comparable or superior functionality at 40 to 50% less cost, those traditional advantages evaporate quickly. The question isn't whether Chinese RVs will gain market share in Europe and North America. It's how quickly it will happen. One UK motorhome enthusiast captured the sentiment perfectly. I feel even more confident in my prediction of being able to buy a Chinese motorhome in the UK by 2030. That's not optimism about a distant possibility. That's recognition of an inevitable reality. The Wanaka BYD motorhome represents more than just another product launch. It's a preview of an industry transformation driven by technological superiority, manufacturing efficiency, and pricing that traditional manufacturers simply cannot match. The RV industry just got its Tesla moment, and the Chinese are writing the playbook.